they will take offense. They will get angry, begin to have nonsense.
Some of them feel that no issue between Yen and Ngozi Orabueze. The serious. You don't understand that. Continue.
Ngozi Orabueze become their freedom now. It's very, very abolished. It's very, very shameful thing.
Honestly.
I can't believe some of them because all this, and those are in Europe, I wonder. But they are claiming that they want Biafra. We are here sanitizing our people, hiding our faces based on what? Because if they know, they can point your hand at you. Do you understand?
I understand.
And this thing now, many people, even in Biafra land, many people are confused, especially those women and those people. Me, I'm a public servant, so I do encourage them that I just look. You can't write first man in the face, so I do watch myself before I speak, encouraging them. Like most of them, that time will be loser. I told them, many of them are congratulating me now. I said, Obi, you could not win. It's a distraction. Some took offense now. So even as I'm talking to you now, many of them now, they are not believing what I said.
Okay, you made mention of our people in Europe that
like yesterday.
If you could.
Like yesterday, some of them asked me about Simon, but what is going on? I said that Finland is still holding, and many are using that thing to laugh at me here in Biafra land. But I believe, by the grace of God, PN will come out because most of them call me Simon.
One of them was somebody was laughing at me. In order, I'm not gonna buy you. After the arrest of PM, in order, somebody that I used to we normally talk. He called me and started laughing at me. Okamafugo na kana ba wona I want ya can on cause. Then Okuche that thing. On Achimochi for some time. Oluwondo on our travel. On our travel to actually about to travel. Where jam where beneful and the block. Oh, news now fly the Fulani blog. It happened different places. Na Fulani no dey na news. If na news no where ban they could that na block or Fulani have stopped fire call from moving from place to place. One of these highways in order that he happened that this person is one of the victims. They did not capture him, but he witnessed the activities of Fulani. So he witnessed it. He called me, was panicking. I said, hi. Said, if you do you have Anambra governor, his number? He said, no. I said, okay, do you have Peter Mbas' number to call? He said, no. He said, no, that he's calling me now to call anybody in the USB in the Biafra to take Biafra number. I said, I think my
like somebody asked me about Simon Ekpa yesterday. I begin to explain because
yeah.
My brother, Onyezim, so that they kidnap or Abuja. Also that they kidnap or Boko Haram kidnap or but along the line, by the grace of God, Omecharapota, but able to follow.
Thank God.
Yeah, I'm not working. I am not the guy now, Valencia. Gia Chobe Bushte, Pichi Amana, my ham, and Baby Bonna Dungeon because on a Facebook. Bernard, my junior brother, Maconia compound, Gogo.
Wow.
But I know as of so on but on one now because when you're going to be compound, I know we are one. And the people now are confirming what Nandekala said, but the problem is this. Nigeria are still using propaganda to, okay, I went to village this Easter. Do you understand? One of my brother,